Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing well. So, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I have not been on here for a while, and life happens. It's just what it is. But I am back, and I am back. So, today I wanted to talk about a video that I watched from The Fix, and they were interviewing none other than Elephant Man. And I just wanted to say that was the most entertaining. It was just an awesome interview. Because Elephant Man has been around for a long time, and he's been doing his thing, and he knows his audience. He knows what he's about. He knows his music. And he just has tunnel vision on to what he wants to accomplish. And he goes out and he pleases the people. He gives the people what they want. And they in turn love him. And so I am saying, I wish other entertainers had his mentality. He's not in the social media skeke and the chatting back and the quarreling and the cussing and the going crazy. He is focused on his music. And I'm telling you, there are two artists that are my very favorite. They're older artists. And one is Ninja Man. I love Ninja Man. I'm sorry, love Ninja Man. And the other one is Elephant Man. And I have a little crush on Mr. Vegas, but hey, excuse me. Yes, but I say those three entertainers, they they just know themselves. They know their audience, and they give their audience exactly what they want, and they don't go around and try to imitate anyone else. They are themselves. And I wish these younger entertainers would just be more focused on the music instead of other entities around. They need to look at older artists, see what they are doing, what they have done, how they have organized themselves in the music industry. And if they've been around for 15, 20, 25 years and they are still relevant, they're still drawing crowd, they're still pretty popular, and they're making money. What have they done? What are they doing that you can do so you maintain your relevancy in the market? And this is what they need to do. There are a lot of entertainers, older entertainers, obviously, that are still doing their thing and still making money and still drawing a crowd. And they need to have mentors. I think older entertainers should take the younger ones that's now, mentor them, guide them, get them out of the crime and the guns and the violence that they think is in music. Take that out of music. Music don't need to be that. Dancehall wasn't the gun and the violence. It was strictly the music back in the day. Let's try and bring that back, where we are thinking about the music. Come on. I'm saying, well, Elephant Man, you have made Jamaica proud because you have kept your integrity. You have kept doing what you have started out to do. You started out this crazy entertainer that was just an over energized bunny, and you've continued to deliver. And your music can be listened to by anyone. Grandma can listen to your music, and the baby can listen to your music. And that's what I call quality music. And yet still, the music is still good. It's still popping. It's still enjoyable. So you got to be doing something that's right. And so you need to mentor these young artists. You really do. To have them sustain themselves. They need to have sustainability. Right now, they don't have any sustainability. They're one hit wonder, maybe two hit takers, and they fade out. And that is it. So I said, congratulations on being a great artist. And you continue to be a great artist. Kudos to you.